have the next tutorial for the Soft Glam 1 palette 5 looks. So this is the next look that I have for you, and I don't know, I think it looks kind of, I don't know, it's interesting, I guess. I don't know what was the inspiration for this look. I just played a little bit with my Aqua XL for Makeup Forever, the cream paint. So yeah, in the beginning I just did, you know, this upper eyelid with these dots, and then I started, let me put a little bit, you know, underneath as well. I think it also looks like a bug or, you know, like an insect. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you would wear something like this, you know, outside. One thing I don't like about the Soft Glam palette is that this Peripera shade, which is basically like the highlighter of the palette, so what you apply, you know, on your brow bone if you have a lighter skin tone, it makes all the eyeshadows that you mix this with kind of a bit more ashy. So you can see that in the crease I actually had a cyber sunburn. So this, as you can see, it's more like it's not really a cooler brown, it's more on the neutrally warmer side. I also use rustic. So this shade, every time I mix it, you know, I put this on my brow bone, it creates this ashy kind of color in here and instantly will make basically the eye look a bit more on the cooler side, which I'm not a fan of. So this Peripera shade, I usually don't like to use it as a, you know, brow bone highlighter blending shade. So yeah, this is like my only complaint about the palette. And I'm mentioning this right now because I really think that if I had more like a yellowy base highlighting shade, I think this look will just be totally different. It will be a bit more on the warmer side, or at least on the neutrally side, not as ashy and cool toned. But this is what it is. We have this palette, we will work with this. I would try to apply less of this color in the future maybe. So yeah, let me know if you still like this look, and enjoy, keep on watching, enjoy, keep on watching.